Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Stay and this is a special episode of Coloring Bliss, and I'm so glad you're here to be with us. I've got little snoring Rose back here and my husband Steve and business partner.
Hi everybody.
And we are so excited, but before I tell you what we're excited about, I have a question for you. Do you underestimate your little pack of Crayola crayons? I know I do. In fact, I neglect them. I love to collect them and I have them, but I don't hardly ever use them because I don't consider them one of the big three for coloring. I always reach for alcohol markers, color pencils, or gel pens. Those are sort of my big three. But I never reach for my Crayola crayons until very recently. In fact, look at the back wall. It was all done with a humble pack of Crayola crayons. Isn't that exciting? Now, how did I create that art? Let me tell you about an amazing artist. Her name is Jenedy Paige, and she is a professional oil painter, and she's an American Ninja warrior. Can you believe that? She's a friend of the family, and we were recently talking to her and discovered that she is a huge fan of Crayola crayons. In fact, she colors in her free time, which, she's making these massive, beautiful pieces of art. Steve got to go to her workshop and see her beautiful pieces of art. And on her free time, she reaches for these Crayola crayons. She loves them so much that we asked her, would she mind creating a workshop, a tutorial for us here at Coloring Bliss, teaching her style of art using Crayola crayons. That is an amazing concept, to be taught at the foot of a professional artist who can do so many beautiful things and have the same tools as she has and create pieces of art. In fact, let me show you right now. This is the piece of art that she created in the tutorial that you can come and follow. Learn how to do skin tones with Crayola crayons, how to create the color gray when you don't have gray in your pack, how to make a beautiful expressive background like this. This piece of art is called Coming Full Circle, and it's actually based on a big, beautiful oil painting. So she has been inspired by her own oil painting. She created this coloring page for all of us at Coloring Bliss and then taught us how to create this effect. When I first saw this come back from when Steve went, I was a little, let's be honest, a lot intimidated. Could I take my Crayola crayons and do the same thing as what she did? The answer is yes. I followed her tutorial, and check it out. That's my version on the back wall by following her amazing tips and tricks and techniques. I learned so much more than I thought I would. In fact, now I want to do more lessons with her because it was so inspiring. In fact, it inspired me so much I wanted to take the tips and techniques that I learned and try my own piece of art. So that's how the rose in the back wall was born, and I filmed myself doing that rose as well because I wanted to prove to myself that the things she taught were applicable in different situations. And look at that rose. That was done with Crayola crayons, a pack of Crayola crayons. I didn't even have the huge 96 pack. It was just a humble little pack of crayons. It's so exciting. So coming back to that first question I asked you, do you neglect your Crayola crayons? If the answer to that question is yes, and maybe you only pull them out when little kids are around, well, you need to take this class by Jenedy Paige because it's going to blow your mind. You're going to learn so much, and you're going to be like me, wondering how else you can use these humble little crayons in your art. It's amazing. So what do you need to do to take Jenedy Paige's class? You need to come on over to Coloring Bliss and join the Coloring Academy. It's only $15 a month, but let me tell you what you get for that $15. You get unlimited access to hundreds of hours of tutorials and workshops. You can learn how to blend color pencils, how to pick the perfect color scheme, how to make beautiful backgrounds, how to color with alcohol markers, and most importantly, how to create this piece of art with Jenedy Paige. Plus, you get about $100 worth of digital downloads for free just for becoming a member of our Coloring Academy. You can quit the Academy anytime you want, so just come in and try it out. I do not think you will regret. I mean, I think this class alone is worth the $15.
Yeah,
so one class alone worth the one payment to become a member of the Coloring Academy. I'm so excited for you to learn the things that I did, and I want to thank you for your time and have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everyone.